Welcome to WEART's Unreal SDK Overview. Whether you're working on a new or existing VR Unreal project, you can make any object graspable and touchable. Our SDK is user-friendly and requires no coding skills, though you have the option to customize further with low-level APIs if desired. Importing our SDK into Unreal is very easy and fast. Create a generic folder called Plugins within the specific Unreal project you're working on. Then, copy and paste the SDK folder from the website into this Plugins folder. Once completed, the SDK will be imported into your Unreal project and will appear among the available plugins in the project. In this video, it's not visible, but there is a plugin that you can access through a settings screen within Unreal where you can adjust some settings. To ensure that the SDK adds the main components, such as WEART pre-configured virtual hands, open the World Settings panel on the right and select the game mode you want to use. In this case, you'll select WEART Game Mode, which is directly provided by our SDK. Next, select the blueprint for the right hand, which will be used as a demo in this video. This will open the corresponding blueprint, allowing you to select the WEART device tracking object component. Here, you can adjust the offset for the virtual hand based on the controller and asset being used, such as HTC, Quest with Steam VR, or Quest with OpenXR. For this demo, we're using OpenXR, so we select the right hand, configure it, and save the blueprint setup. Since we're testing with only one hand, we select the Calibration UX Blueprint object and adjust its properties to specify the number of hands for calibration. By default, it's set to include both right and left hands, but in this case, we switch to single-hand mode, making the right hand the active hand. Now, let's add a basic actor. Here, we insert a cube, position it on the map, and resize it so that it's graspable along at least one dimension. After positioning the cube, add a component from our SDK called WEART Touchable Object. It lets us define the tactile properties of the object that will interact with the virtual hands. We can configure parameters such as temperature, stiffness to simulate resistance, and texture to mimic the material's feel. Once calibration is complete, we can grasp the cube within the scene and experience its assigned tactile properties. The object also has physical properties, preventing the hand from passing through it.